Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Now, unless you live under a rock, I'm sure you saw this one. Crazy price movement that slaughtered both shorts and then slaughtered those greedy longs that chased it. And what I want to really focus on here is more so this area of the chart, down around here, because I think this is more so the truer level that will be in play. I could be totally wrong because this thing was bonkers, but and this movement up here, this was just all craziness. I mean, this was basically one halt after another, after another, which is why the volume dropped off all of a sudden. That is all just because of halts. This thing has spent basically all day, or I should take a step back, all afternoon long getting halted within seconds. So like I said, and the way it's been halting and gapping down, I think this area is more important. So that's why I'm going to be focusing on that area of the chart. I mean, yeah, I consider and say, well, you know what? 160 is an area of resistance. In my mind, 160 is not necessarily real. Yeah, it got up there, but it was just so goofy. But down around here is where I think those levels are really going to make the most sense. So as far as levels of support to keep an eye on moving forward, the first level that I'm very curious to see if the price can stay up above is going to be right up here at that $40 mark. Can the price hold up above 40? If it doesn't, then while nothing's guaranteed, I don't think anybody would be shocked to then see the price pull back there and revisit this former breakout area right there around $28.50. So in the very near term, $40, $28.50 are going to be those levels of support. And I get it. It's such a, I mean, $40 and then that small little distance is 28. So, I mean, what is that, about a $12 difference in that little movement right there? So that is why that just illustrates how crazy this one was today. So that will be the levels of support. And then if the price breaks below, the $28.50, then at that point, I don't think anyone would be shocked to see it get down below $20, if not even, the $15 mark. Now, if the price does all of a sudden decide to just come back to life again, that first level that I think is going to be very revealing is how does it behave up around 80? So in my mind, $80 is a very interesting level and an important level of resistance. I'm not saying that the 80 is broken, it's going to go back up to 160, but I think that could definitely resurrect some things, bring back some more momentum. So those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward. But yeah, this has definitely been a crazy one, no doubt. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.